Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Exercise 2.9, question number 1, part 4. We have to determine the interval in which this function is increasing or decreasing for this particular domain x belongs to -4 to 1. Solution. Let f of x equals to x square plus 3x plus 2, and we have to consider the values of x from -4 to 1. So first of all, we differentiate f of x and we get f dash. Of course, we differentiate f of x with respect to x and we get f dash x equals to 2x plus 3, the derivative of this. For turning points, put f dash x equals to 0. So we get 2x plus 3 equals to 0. So we get x equals to -3 by 2. So x equals to -3 by 2 is a turning point. So we split this interval with the help of this point. We will split this interval into two parts. One will be from -4 to -3 by 2 and then -3 by 2 to 1. Here it is. So -4 to 1, it has been divided into two parts, into two intervals. One is from -4 to -3 by 2, and then we take the union, and then -3 by 2 to 1, and where this -3 by 2 is a turning point. Okay. So now we consider this interval -4 to -3 by 2, and what we will do, we will take any point in this interval and evaluate first derivative at it. So take any point, say I have taken -2. It is my choice. Between -4 and -3 by 2, -3 by 2 is -1.5. So between -4 and -3 by 2, I have taken -2. That is my choice. I have taken -2. You may take -3. It's your choice. So take any point, say -2 belonging to this interval, and evaluate f dash at this particular value, f dash at -2. Here it is. So when you evaluate it, you get 2 into -2 plus 3, which is equals to -1, which is less than 0. That is, f dash is negative at a point in this interval. So f dash will have the same behavior throughout this interval because the only turning point is -3 by 2. It cannot change its behavior now. So what do we see? Hence f dash x is less than 0 in this whole interval. Why? Because at one particular point in this interval, f dash is negative. So f dash of x will be negative throughout in this interval. Result, if first derivative is negative, then we say that function is decreasing in this particular interval. Now take any point, say 0 belonging to -3 by 2 to 1. We are considering this interval -3 by 2 to 1. So we are going to evaluate f dash at 0. You can see f dash at 0 is equal to 2 into 0 plus 3 equals to 3, which is greater than 0. That is, it is a positive number. So what do we observe? That in this particular interval, f dash is positive at a particular point 0. So f dash will be positive throughout this interval. Hence, what do we see? F dash of x is greater than 0 in this interval. So that is, f dash of x is positive in this interval. What does it mean? If the first derivative is positive in any interval, it means that the function is increasing in that interval. So we get f of x is increasing in this interval from -3 by 2 to 1, and that is our answer. The function is increasing in -3 by 2 to 1. And that completes the solution.